मेरी आंखें बहुत तेज हैं.
But this one.
My eyes are very
But this
sharp.
one, this has
You
been.
cannot get away with
No, no,
this.
this has been discussed in
I do
paragraph
not
18.
know. After this deduction, it is 23,000.
No, your lordship, in page this before passing the maintenance order only.
I don't know.
In page
He is not paying, your lordship.
So you are agreed by the fact that he is not paying.
He is not paying also, and for enhancement also I have filed.
What enhancement? How much did you claim?
totally a false statement. 2,90,000 has been paid.
Before your lordship, trial court lordship, she has claimed for 30,000, your lordship.
Show me one of the grounds, only one ground that you were always willing to keep her, but she did not come.
I'll
Only one ground for this. You have drafted it.
Is there that we have paid her 2,90,000 already till today.
Good for the lifetime.
No, no, we are. I'm not saying that it is good. I'm saying that I'm adhering to the order of the court, and I'm ready to keep my family because there is a child who is dependent on me.
Now he's 6 years old, your lordship, and son is of 6 years old, your lordship. In his cases.
498 cases also pending.
Yes, that is also.
So how did she come in the
It's case.
maintenance? Both the cases. Who is for the husband? You are for wife.
Husband.
Husband. Where is the wife? Both of you have filed.
Yes.
Rajni's questions Neha complied.
Yes, I am working in BSF. I've given my this salary details also.
Salary details. You can have additional income also.
Apart from that, there is no additional entry.
So that is right.
But that certificate has not been filed in view of the Rajni's.
Not very right. Then why is the wife coming? What is your case? Wife has sufficient income.
My wife, she has willfully left the house. And there was a mediation on the last occasion also. The case was sent for mediation. Being a Jawan in BSF, we do not have this staying with the family facility over there. So I was ready to keep her in a separate house or in a house along with my parents.
We will not go whatever
Yes.
has transpired
Yes.
in me. We will go whatever is available in the records. Was this point of 125.4 that she had no justified reason to leave the matrimonial home?
It has come in the deposition also that her father says that we have taken her from the house.
That is another. Did you raise this point before the report that she had no reason to leave the matrimonial house and therefore she is not entitled for maintenance? Unless you raise the point, in revision we cannot appreciate it.
Even though your lordship, as per the judgment of the Supreme Court, what has
So
come?
that is on quantum.
Yeah, quantum also.
But you are
Even then-
challenging it on a different ground.
Yeah. No, that ground is also there.
Where is
quantum,
that ground?
quantum is also very high. Until today, we have paid her the amount that is in the
14,000. Quantum is high.
Yes, because my
is your salary?
23,000 I am getting after deductions. And the thing is, in leadership, I have never tried to drive her away from the house.
No, that is separate. You have to take a specific leave. Where is the salary slip? Where is the distraction regarding quantum of maintenance?
I'll just point it out. I have also annexed it as annexure 2. My salary slip is there.
You must have exhibited it.
Yeah, that is there. That has been discussed in paragraph.
Is this the same exhibit?
Yes, yes. That is at paragraph 18 of the judgment, which is at page number 49 of this revision.
Don't you say so?
So I'm relying upon the second case.
What have you annexed?
That is the salary slip, but it has been discussed in paragraph 18 of the
Where is the salary slip?
That is annexure 2.
So your take-home salary is 23,460.
Yes.
So you want to say this 23,460 out of this 14,000 is payable?
Yes.
That is income. Now you come to the bottom.
Yes, I've just seen again it.
मेरी आंखें बहुत तेज हैं.
But this one.
My eyes are very
But this
sharp.
one, this has
You
been.
cannot get away with
No, no,
this.
this has been discussed in
I do
paragraph
not
18.
know. After this deduction, it is
No, your lordship,
23,000.
in page this before passing the maintenance order only.
I don't know.
In page.
This is the document. Your
Yes,
document.
yes.
Your salary slip.
Yes.
Now you are, after all deductions, you have taken so much of loan, EMI, everything has been considered, and then this 23,460 is the take-home.
This has been issued in 23.
I do not know. You have
And-
annexed it?
Yes, your
It's
lordship.
your document.
But upon the document which was earlier, which was before
We
the
do
court.
not know. You, firstly, in revision, you cannot introduce a new document.
No, no, I'm not relying on that.
What do you mean you have
In,
not annexed it?
no, I'm saying, your lordship, in paragraph
No,
in
no.
paragraph 18 of the judgment, it has
No.
been decided discussed about the salaries
No, no.
there. May I permitted to read that?
No, no.
In that, his salary.
He is not paying, your lordship.
So you are agreed by the fact that he is not paying.
He is not paying also, and for enhancement also I have filed.
What enhancement? How much did you claim?
Totally a false statement. 2,90,000 has been paid.
Before your lordship, trial court lordship, she has claimed for 30,000, your lordship. 20,000, your lordship.
Out of 20,000, you have got 14,000.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes.
And 10,000 she has paid for her minor child, Your Lordships. But total she's getting 14. Matlab she has been allowed for 14,000, but she's not getting, Your Lordships, any.
So she's not getting is another reason.
Yes,
No,
other thing, Your Lordship.
that is totally wrong. We have paid 2,90,000.
Yeah, that is another
She's
thing.
not,
Yes,
not getting, you have an execution.
yes, Your Lordship, she has filed for execution also.
So therefore, what is your case?
Yes, so 20,000 for 20,000 I was paying because he has deductions. His salary is 51,000, and after deductions, Your Lordship, this salary is there, and for his lavish things or for loan or for anything, Your Lordships, she is also.
Is it your case that she has other sources of income?
So she is staying with her parents with her own will. I am ready. I have in the before the honorable court also in the depositions also it has come that I always wanted to keep her. Just because I am working in BSF, I cannot keep her with me.
Sure,
She has said that I cannot live with my parents.
Where is your show first file?
That is not on record. LCR. LCR may be called for election, so that it can be decided on that.
But the impure order is not reflecting anywhere. There is no whisper in the impure order regarding this.
Because it is coming for the first time for hearing leadership. LCR may be called for so that on the next date we are ready with all those facts. The all leadership that has been the queries of the leadership.
You all have done master's degree in it. I must say this. Show me one of the grounds, only one ground that you were always willing to keep her, but she did not. Show me one ground for this. You have drafted it. So as it is, you are not able to keep her in your place of posting.
Yes, because.
So why do you want to keep her in a separate house? If she is.
So that was her demand. I am ready to keep her in my house also. But she has said that कि मेरे parents के साथ इनका नहीं बनता है, so she will not be staying there. So we have given her an option that you stay at my place, which I am staying in Bengal. But she says नहीं हमको अपने घर. She is from Nirsa Dhanbad, so she wants to stay there.
So what is your problem about it? As it is, you are not.
No, she is claiming that 14,000 as maintenance plus 20,000 extra.
You forget about that claim.
Yeah.
So your case that you want to keep her cannot be.
I am ready to keep her here today. I am ready to keep her separately also. But she is.
When you keep her separately, you will incur additional expenses, no?
Because she is not ready only to live with my parents. That is the difficulty.
Yes, then the matter may be sent to mediation. She's not saying me to.
Because in the cross-examination also it has come. She has said,
Are you interested in mediation?
We are ready, Your Lordship. Last time also we have tried. We have.
Mediation has.
Our first case we have tried to keep.
Mediation has failed.
Yes.
It was sent for mediation.
Your Lordship, regarding that mediation, I don't have information, but now she.
First
saying
case
that
was sent
he's
for
not
mediation.
keeping her, and neither he want to give her full maintenance, Your Lordships.
The mediation report is a very recent report.
Yes. It was about to be resolved, but at the last moment there were some demands which we could not complete. And regarding the payment leadership, it is there that we have paid her 2,90,000 already. Till today.
For the lifetime.
No, I'm not saying that it is good. I'm saying that I'm adhering to the order of the court. And I'm ready to keep my family because there is a child who is dependent on me.
Now he's 6 years old, Your Lordship, and son is of 6 years old, Your Lordship, in his cases.
498 cases also pending.
Yes, that is also.
So how will she come live?
So that's why there were.
She has got all reasons not to live.
No, a main allegation is that she cannot leave because when I'm at my duty, she has some quarrel with the family members.
Then a criminal case is pending. There is no question of she has got all the reasons not to live.
Lordship, that is still for adjudication. The charges are still I'm not convicted in that matter.
Maybe you are not convicted.
Because there is not a single allegation against me.
Cruelty, you want her to be subjected to live in an environment where she is always under an apprehension of cruelty.
That's why I have also decided to keep her separately. But the only thing is that had it been that I was not in the central forces, I would have stayed somewhere else. I would have kept her with me.
In spite of, it is none of your case that she has any additional source of revenue. Is it your case?
No, we are not.
She also does not have any case that she has additional source of revenue.
No. Dependent child is there, Your Lordships, of 6 years old child, Your Lordships.
You get the child admitted in school and you file your application under section 127. Because that will be a subsequent development. Additional, you are basically saying that there is an additional expenses which is coming up.
Yes, Your Lordships.
Right? So you file your
Liberty may be, Your Lordship, there is
Liberty
liberty, there is
is
provision, Your Lordship, there is provision, but Your Lordships may give her short liberty.
No, liberties, I will simply say that for subsequent development you have a remedy under law, but not in the initial application. No case at all. In spite of that, when there is no dispute regarding husband and wife, when there is no dispute regarding sources of
Leadership, we have tried our best to keep. There are instances we have been on both the sides when parties are not ready. Even I had impressed upon my client to do all sorts of things, but the demands are getting elevated time to time. That's why.
There is a wife living.
With her parents, Your Lordship, she is living with her parents.
Have you talked to your client?
Yes, Your Worship.
Does she want to settle the disputes?
Now it's not possible, for settlement is not possible, but mediation, I was saying that some settlement for final settlement for separation also maybe.
You're interested in separation. What is your age? You have a child?
Yes, she is 26 years of age. She is.
You want a separation?
Just because of cruelty, Your Worship, she don't want to get separated. But
What is the nature of cruelty? What happened?
with her in-laws, she was residing with her in-laws, Your Worship.
So in-laws had committed something.
Yes, Your Worship.
What about the husband?
Husband was not residing with her because he was at
He
his
was not there,
post.
so there is no allegation against the husband, isn't it?
But he was not taking care of her, Your Worship. Due to that reason, Your Worship, she was
Husband
getting
is also
tortured.
accused in 498A.
All the family.
Yes, Your Worship, she is also accused.
Why don't you do some social work and try it appears that this matter can get settled?
Your Worship, then one adjournment may be given to my Lordship.
Ask them to join online, right?
Yes.
And we will figure out if they are willing for settlement. Then we will send for mediation.
Yes.
Because without consent, we cannot settle.
Yes, Your Worship.
And mediation also can be conducted online. There is no problem.
Yes, Your Worship.
When can they join?
She's residing in her house. She's not doing nothing. Any date may fix as per his convenience.
Anytime. Anytime. Next week, Monday,
Monday?
4:15
Online?
a.m.
4:50?
Yes. Not as 4:15 p.m.
When it comes to for the parties are present. The petitioner in criminal division number 703 of 2022 is wife and has a child and has a minor girl child,
Yes, boy.
Boy, 6 years.
minor boy child who is 6 years of age. The opposite party number 2, the husband, is in argument. During the course of argument, the reports reveal that the matter was sent for mediation, but it remained unsuccessful. However, considering the nature of dispute and the arguments by the parties, it appears that the matter can still be resolved through mediation. But before sending the parties for mediation, it would be appropriate that the parties should appear online before this court. Right?